Hey guys, just want to make a quick video for you on one way that you can, in an emergency, use a little jumper to make your convertible top go either up or down. Currently, mine is not going back up. It's been closed and I can't get it to open. I tried to do some of my own troubleshooting and I can't figure it out yet. So I need to get it open to work on it. So I made a little jumper and I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. All right, and all these are little wires with spade connectors on the end, and I cut off the little plastic protective bits that were on them. Some people you'll see have like a fuse in the middle of it, which I guess, you know, if you're gonna use it all the time, it's nice to have a fuse to protect it, but this works. This is the relay that I had to pull out in order to get to the places where the pins go in it so that I could make my own jumper. And just want to show you down here. So the two openings to the left of that blue one are where this thing was in originally. And I just made the jumpers and tested them for the first time to make sure it works. But this is the diagram of the pins that are on the relay and where they are located as you're looking at it right now under the by the pedals down there. So I just wanted to show you the important things. So this 23 is going to be your positive and 22 is going to be your ground. So essentially positive, ground. So in order to open it, you are going to jumper the open convertible top motor. So 25 is the one that opens your top, and 27 is the one that closes it. So all you do is switch these around to either open it or close it. So 25 here is open. And 27 is this guy right over here, and that is close. So you can see 27 pointing at this. All right, so in order to open it, we want to connect that to positive. So I'm just going to connect this to here. And then the opposite one that you're not doing, in this case, we're not closing it, you hook that one up to ground. So in order to close it, what do we do? The opposite of that, right? So to close it, your close is going to positive and your open is going to ground right here. So 25 to 22, 27 to 23. So the solid line is what we're going to do. So essentially all the way across, top to bottom. And as soon as you touch those, whether or not your ignition is on or not, it's going to start opening or closing, and it's going to keep going until you unplug it. So you have to be very careful that once you get it to the position you want it in, you disconnect it right away. All right, it is a pain to get down here. Let's see if I can reach in here for you and show you. All right, so this guy fell out. In there, and then our positive, I'm just gonna stick it in the open spot there. All right, this one's angled sideways. As soon as I do it, you hear that? It's opening. All right, so yeah, ideally you're gonna have somebody up top telling you when it's all the way open, because you're not going to be able to see it. All right, so here we go. It has been opening. Now I need to close it a little bit because I actually want it to be in service position, because like I said, I'm going to be working on it now. So to close it, you just swap them around. All right, so I'm going to pull this out. So, all right, so this is the open position. So I want open to be at our ground now. Because we're gonna close it now, so we're gonna hook this guy up into 23, which is our positive. So stick that guy in there. Oh, sorry. Very hard to film and do this. Well, very hard to do this in general. Even harder to do and film at the same time. So I get this guy in that slot. Gotta get this guy in the positive slot. And you can hear it closing. All right, let me stop it there. All right, so I gotta go just a little bit further to get it back into service position, but you see how it works. All you need is to connect the spots with any sort of wire like this. So to recap, open is 25 to 23, and then 27 to 22. To close it is 27 to 23, and 25 to 22. So I'm gonna keep these things in the car in case I'm ever out anywhere and I need to close or open it. If this happens and it starts raining, it'd be super helpful to have these in the car, close it up, come home. Figure out why it's not working with the switch later. All right, guys, if this video helped you, and it did, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the comments. Let me know if it worked. Let me know if it's something you're planning on making these just to have in the future in case you need them. And subscribe to the channel, of course. I'll see you guys on the next video.